Hello and welcome to my channel. I am documenting this specific example of converting minutes to hours because I was unable to find a video that suited this case. So whether you're in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, as in this example, I need to convert this duration to hours. We can easily calculate 30 minutes, but when it gets down to like 135 minutes, it's a little harder to think about how many hours that is. First of all, I need to get rid of this minutes label. So I'm going to do Edit, Find and Replace, and I want to find space MIN and replace with nothing, an empty value here. And click Replace All. And now in this next column, I'm going to do equals, select the column and cell. We're going to multiply it by 24 hours and divide by 60 minutes in an hour. And now I can convert this cell with the format number and plain text. And now we have the conversion to hours. If we want to add a label here, go back into the function and we're going to write concatenate and parentheses around the previous function. And before that closing parentheses, do a comma and 2 quotes. Within the quotes, I'm going to do space HR for hours. And now we can just take this lower right handle and drag to fill the rest of the column. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video so others can find it, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.